How to renovate a house under budget. Need to do some updates around the house, but you think you lack the funds for any worthwhile home improvement projects. Did you ever wish that you could give your home a new look without the intensive cost and time of complete renovation? Well, we're all in favor of affordable improvements that can add value to your home and maximize how to use your living space. As the saying goes, don't move, improve. The key to choosing the perfect home improvement task is to focus first on what you're trying to accomplish and then consider how much time you want to spend doing it. While all of these projects are easy to complete, some are more time intensive than the others, so you want to be sure that you know what you're getting yourself into before you get started. On the bright side, none of these projects should take you more than a week or two, and many of them can be done just in a couple of hours or less. Well, if you're willing to put in a little bit of work, there are plenty of home improvement projects that you can undertake that will help transform your space. Whether you want to upgrade a shower in a bathroom, add a skylight to the bedroom, or repair original tiles, we have budget renovation ideas that will make the dream house a reality. But the question is, where to start with how to renovate a house under budget? Perhaps your home is looking outdated. A major renovation is beyond your budget, but you can still perk up your home's appearance. Luckily, a number of inexpensive do-it-yourself projects will give your home a whole new look, and some don't even require do-it-yourself skills. Here are some home improvement ideas for upgrading your home without losing your mind or savings. Number 1. Install molding. With ground molding, you can completely transform a room, and it's not that expensive or hard to install. In addition to installing moldings in baseboard area and along the ceilings, you can use moldings to create custom designs on walls and ceilings and around mirrors and light fixtures to make your room and house look more grand. Number 2. Add a garden room. Give your property the boost of an extra room without the need of an expensive extension. Maximize limited living space on a budget by installing a garden room, whether it be a specialist garden room. Having an extra room allows for a home office or a gym or any space that can allow you to escape from the daily routine of your life. Number 3. Create an instant lawn. Add greenery to your outdoor space with ultra-realistic artificial lawn. Artificial grass, rather than cut it, you just need to vacuum it, clean it so very often. Unlike the real thing, it won't get yellow or dried out in a hot sun. So it's practical and good-looking choice if you're looking for a grassless garden ideas. Number 4. Chalk paint old furniture. Is your place filled with old vintage furniture? Do you want to give them a makeover? If yes, chalk paint is the answer to all these questions. We can't just send our furniture to repair centers for every wear and tear that happens, right? That's why chalk paint is invented to save all our unwanted expenses. Just with a few coats of chalk paints, you can transform the whole look of your furniture. It will give a matte chalky appearance that is perfect for achieving a rustic, vintage, and shabby chic style. Number 5. Do up or ditch the old front furniture. The front door always makes a lasting impression because the right front door idea adds instant glamour to your house. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders for transforming an existing door. The color you choose for your front door is not only the first thing the visitors notice about your home, but this decision may even affect the value of your house. Number 6. Care for your cornices. Original features are the real plus points, but sometimes they need a little touch-up to restore them to their original splendor. Oftenly, decorative cornicing is lost under decades of paints. By stripping it off, you can really bring out the period details. Although you can buy products to remove the layers yourself, you will need a set of goggles and lots of patience for it. Number 7. Put a fresh coat of paint. When it comes to do-it-yourself home improvement projects, few things update your space more dramatically than a couple of coats of paint. Embrace a pop of color with an accent wall in your living room or a bedroom. Make a statement with a painted ceiling. Paint your kitchen cabinets. While you're at it, go around your home and provide quick paint touch-ups anywhere that existing paint is peeling or is chipped off. Number 7. Lay a stylish stair runner. Stairs are often the first thing that visitors notice when they enter into your house. So why not just update a shabby treads with stylish stair runners? It's also a great place to indulge in some color. Make a big impact by choosing a striped or a bold colored runners, or go classy with neutral weave or thick or pale pile. Number 8. Change your worktops. Go for simple worktop like laminate, which is generally the cheapest in a finished illusion of high-cost design. Faux marble is very on trend right now, and faux wood is a classic that won't be outdated anytime soon. Just avoid any orangey tones, and you're good to go. Number 9. Mirror on the wall. Mirrors bring more light into rooms and make spaces appear larger than they really are. Buy a few mirrors that you really like and hang them in areas that you think could add a dash of brightness. While you're at it, try to find new mirrors that you can use to replace any old or boring ones in your home. Number 10. Bring the outside in. Few things have the power to update bland and outdated spaces like plants and flowers. Even the most simple of potted plants freshen the air and add a dose of happiness and vitality to your room. If you have more of a black thumb than a green one, start easy by choosing a durable plant that is tough to kill. You can even game the system by choosing to go with fall greenery or flowers, just to be sure to purchase a high quality one so they don't give out an overly fake look. Conclusion. It is true that home repair and renovation can be expensive, but there are also some cool things that you can do on the cheap. Luckily, you won't need to wait to win a lottery to realize your home's potential. Cheap home renovation projects and home improvement ideas that are sure to fit your budget, there are no excuse for not having a home of your dreams. All of these easy home improvement ideas cost £500 or less to complete, but they definitely make your house look like £1,000,000.